Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, in this video we are going to solve worksheet 14 of subject social science class 6, and here you need to write your name and here your class teacher's name, date 25 August 2021. So topic of this worksheet is geographical factors influence diversity. Okay, so let us start reading what is given. In the previous worksheet number 1, Understanding Diversity, we understood that variation is found everywhere. This variation is called diversity, which shows the feature of each object, organism, and society. In this worksheet, let us find how geography influences diversity. Let us read about geographical facts of two different regions of India. Okay, so we are going to understand what is diversity and geographical facts of two regions of India. So first one is what here you can see Ladakh. So let us read what's given. Ladakh is a cold desert in the mountains in the east of Jammu and Kashmir. Very little agriculture is possible here since this region does not receive any rain. It is covered in snow for a large part of the year. For drinking water, people depend on melting snow during the summer months. People here keep sheep, goat, yak cows. The goats in this region are special because they produce pashmina wool. The hair of the sheep is also used to make woolens. The people eat meat and yak's milk is used to make cheese and butter. The people in Ladakh carefully collect the wool of goats and sell this to the traders from Kashmir. So people wear woolens here. So what this is trying to say is, as you can see, this is picture of the Ladakh, and this is a cold desert in the mountainous region. Okay, so you can see there is a mountainous region and then a cold desert to the east of Jammu Kashmir, and there is no agriculture or very little agriculture possible here since it is not receiving any rain in this area. Okay, and it is covered for snow for a large part of the year. That is one reason. And for drinking the water, people depend on melting snow during the summer months. So whenever there is snowfall, they will melt that, or glaciers, they will melt those to find their drinking water. And people here pet the goats, as you can see. Goat is over here, and sheeps also. So goats and sheeps, and then yak cows, they pet those even, so that they can sell them. They can use the wool of the sheep that is used to make woolens, and they can use the meat and the meat and the milk from the yak. They use the milk from yak and meat even to make cheese and butter. Okay, and the goats in this region are special because they produce this wool, and this wool is used to make this wool is used to make pashmina shawls, which are very expensive, and they are shawls of a different kind made of these goats. Okay, so now there are some questions given. First one is, why are the people living in Ladakh wear woolens? So answer is because Ladakh is a cold desert in the mountain in the east of Jammu Kashmir. Then second question, why the main food of people living in Ladakh is meat and milk product. The main food of people living in Ladakh is meat and and milk to protect themselves from cold. Okay, so they eat milk and they eat meat and consume milk products to protect themselves from cold. Now second region we have here is Kerala. So let us start reading. Kerala is a state in the southwest corner of India. It is surrounded by sea on one side and hills on the other. It has a seasonal heavy rainfall. A number of spices like pepper, cloves, and cardamom grow on the hills. It is spices that made this region an attractive place for traders. The fertile land and the climate are suited to growing rice, and majority of people here eat rice, fish, and vegetables. Traditional dress of Kerala is dhoti. Here it is called mundu. Mundu is normally woven in cotton. Okay, so what this is saying is Kerala is a state in the southwest corner of India. This is surrounded by sea on one side, the Arabian Sea, and hills on the other side. It has seasonal heavy rainfall. That means the rainfall does not come frequently, but seasonally it comes, and the rainfall is heavy. So as you can see, it has seasonal heavy rainfall. So that means when there is rainfall, it is a lot of rainfall, and in this area spices are grown like pepper, cloves and cardamom on the hills. So that is why traders like to come to Kerala to trade with the spices, to trade the spices. And it is the spices that made this region an attractive place for traders, as you know. And there and the fertile land here and climate, they are suitable to grow rice, and majority of people here eat what? Rice, fish and vegetables. Okay, so traditional dresses of Kerala is dhoti. As you can see, a man here wearing dhoti, and there is the woman also. So this photo, and here it is called mundu. In Kerala it is called mundu. Mundu is normally woven in cotton. So now some questions here. Question 1. Why are the people living in Kerala traditionally wear cotton clothes? Okay, so they wear cotton clothes to protect themselves from hot weather. Then we have question 2 here. Why the main food of people living in Ladakh is rice, fish and vegetables? So here there is a mistake. Question, instead of Ladakh we should write it as Kerala. Okay, so there is a mistake in this question. So this question will be, why the main food of people living in Kerala is rice, fish and vegetables? So let's read the answer. Because rice is grown here in bulk and people get fish and vegetables from the sea. So rice is grown here in bulk due to fertility in the land, and people get fish and vegetables from the sea, as we all know. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.